Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Juan-Salamanca. I'm in the ninth semester of Bachelor in English as a foreign language. I'm very interested in this course because the subject is not new for me, but to dig into the real matter is very interesting. There are so many aspects of this course that are very interesting. I need to move to the task 2 and answer the question. The first question is what is my personal goal? And my personal goal is to mature and to own to have my own interpretation and analysis of teaching English for a specific purpose. The second question is, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competence? Well, in this sense, I think that knowledge is very vast, and the more you learn, the better for you, and the better for you develop as a teacher. And well, the third question is, what are the 5 topics that I like the most in this course? The first topic is ESP is a product, not product, because I don't know exactly the difference between these two concepts. Chapter 4, language description. Chapter 5, theories of learning, are very interesting topics too, because if you learn the theories, you have the opportunity to meet the heart of the thing. Yes, it's better for you. Another interesting topic is to learn about the different approach related to English for a specific purpose. And it's interesting because you can observe the different variables involving in teaching as a specific subject. Another interesting topic is the elaboration of the inappropriate syllabus, because I think that to elaborate an appropriate syllabus, it must be a theory behind that. The other topic interesting for me is to prepare an excellent evaluation, because this is the final goal for a teacher, is to instruct and to teach with the aim of an evaluation. According to the course content, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? Being more accurate in presenting specific materials brings an excellent opportunity to dig in themes unknown and cast a wide net of subjects. The fifth question is, if I have been enrolled in ESPN courses in the past. I think that I was enrolled into course teaching English to adults and adolescents and maybe Colombian education. Well, this is my video. I expect that it is great for you and I expect your comments. Bye bye, see you soon.